What's going on, guys? Back with another video. We got Jay in the back and Damien's behind the camera, and we're actually at an old school place that I haven't been to in a couple years. We're actually at basically the story behind Dogtown is a lot of people go missing. Mainly females, but a lot of people go missing.
Which means I'm fucked. It's fine.
But a lot of females go missing. Sometimes they find bodies. There has also been a lot of rumors that people would bring their dogs here and dump their dogs if they died. Hence why the name Dogtown became
Pet cemetery.
pretty much.
Hey.
So this isn't actually the only part of Dogtown. So if you want to show the front, so basically it's just like, it's a road and then it'll like open up later. But there's also a cemetery that's connected to Dogtown that holds a witch. The same witch that possessed me.
Holy hell. At least we're sitting in a very protective vehicle right now.
I'm just not feeling good.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes. Content.
Yo.
Just don't point too much that way.
It's harder and harder to breathe when you walk up.
Yeah.
Hey, Jake.
What?
You flash it that way. What's that?
What's that?
Looks like another headstone, but it's like in the trees.
I'm not walking away from here.
Talking about that?
That's a fucking well. Hold on. I'm not doing no fucking ring shit. Why the fuck? I never noticed that. Is it a well?
No.
What is it?
I think it's a sign. Now that we got closer.
It got colder.
Yeah, it did. What is it? Oh shit.
Is that me or is it?
T?
That's a.
What is it?
That's something for rituals, like witches rituals.
Yeah, it's a fucking. It's a
binded.
triangle. It's binded.
It's binded. I do not have a good feeling out here at all. It's just from this.
Yeah.
You need to see
Where
it.
we're walking at.
What?
You're gonna walk over somewhere.
Oh.
I'm very particular about that.
Yeah. Okay, lights up next.
Where'd you go? Fast when you see that. Right back there?
Why do you think I keep looking over there? I don't like that. I'm gonna keep watching. Dude, that's getting worse. We're gonna have to make this video quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damien. Blocking us.
Broken gravestone?
And this is when it gets old.
Yeah, very old.
So, actually,
We may have to go back to the car, bro.
fun fact. The graveyard actually started right here.
Really?
Yeah, so these are all new. So yeah, these are all. If I had the old, video, I'd show you. Cause like I went through and I talked about all these people.
I'm trying not to step on anything. I'm trying to be respectful.
Remember when I told you there was one lonely headstone?
Yeah.
See, flash your light over there.
Oh, it's all the way back there.
It's the one lonely headstone. And I walked all the way back there. That's when everything started. You want to take a look at it?
Look at me and Damien over here like,
It's pretty fucking cool. We'll look at this and then we'll start heading back.
well, look at this sage.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, get more on me. Get more on me. But
With that lightning though, we may have to cut it for a minute.
yeah.
Sorry.
But if you guys want to check out the one lonely
Lonely one?
headstone that started all of this. What, is that a headstone back there? Yeah. That's the lonely one. It's the only one that's by itself.
That's why I'm asking. I'm like, could it be the witch's headstone?
See, but here's the thing. Witches were unmarked.
Yeah.
Yeah. Charlie. This rain's starting to get worse.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not bad. Plus, I always get bad vibes coming back here. I really don't like having my back to it, but
Neither do I. And I'm the last one out of both right now.
God damn it.
And I'm over here trying not to. Yeah.
Just run straight.
I can't. I'm gay. This is gonna be interesting. Fuck it. No, I can't fucking do that.
That's all she wrote, folks.
We need to pull the window down.
It started to rain. It's cold.
Well, that was so hard to breathe in here.
Yo, I can't get this to stop.
Oh God, oh my God.
I just saw it again. Keep on seeing it.
Ah! I'm being pelted. I am being pelted with rain. Yo, it might. Okay, if you're moving, we gotta put it up.
Shit. Where? This way.
Taryn?
Okay, so update, guys. We don't know where Joe went. Like, he was right in front of us and he's gone.
He is completely gone. Like, I can't even see him.
I don't know where he's at.
Well, there's a straight and there's a left.
Oh my fucking God. Fucking dickhead.
So which way do I go? Am I going straight or am I going...
I don't know, but I don't like this field over here.
You just scared the shit out of us. We're over here like, where the fuck did you go? So it's kind of bad that I have no idea where the fuck to go. I don't remember where to go.
What the fuck was that? We need... You are a fucking dickhead.
Are you recording that?
Yes. You are a fucking dick. I literally just said I don't like this field over here. You fucking asshole. What? I think so.
I've never seen you jump like that. That was fucking...
Well, and we're in the middle of talking about we don't know where the fuck we're at right now.
Yeah, I tried to call you and it went straight to voicemail. I hit the button, instantly went to voicemail.
Yeah.
We have no
How the
service
fuck
out
are we
here.
leaving? I think we might as well just. I don't know. All right, so we were cruising, and I don't know if you can see. Fucking power line's down.
Water, so I can't. None of us are going to be able to make it through.
I wouldn't even try with that power line being down. If you even try, especially going through water, you're gonna get electrocuted.
So we're going to have to